To fix this problem, swipe to your phone menu. Then try to search for Blackjack 21 or 21 Blackjack. Then now when you find the app, use your finger to tap on it for some while. Now tap on application details. After that, you are going to see that you are in Blackjack 21 app info. So what you have to do next is to tap on notification and make sure the show notification is toggled on. So as you can see, all notification dot is on. Now go back, tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, tap on clear storage, then now tap on OK. Now go back. What you have to do is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. On other device, you're going to see mobile data and restriction. Try to turn on the background data on. So after doing this, go back, then you tap on the full stop, then you tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do next is to go to your Google Play Store to update this. So after updating this, what you have to do lastly is to reboot your device. So tap on your power button for some while, and you're going to see reboot. So tap on the reboot to reboot this.